Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about number 6. So take out your numbers worksheets. Number 6. Number 6. There are 6 dice, and in each dice there are 6 dots. 6, S-I-X, is how you spell the word 6. So let's look. Today we're going to start at 2 o'clock. Put your finger a small step down from the top line at 2 o'clock. Make a C stroke down to the writing line. All right, so from there, we're going to then make a ball. So we're going to practice again. I'm going to start a small step down from the top line at 2 o'clock. And I'm going to make a C stroke down to the writing line and then make a ball in the downstairs. That is how we make the number 6. I'll do it one more time. Put your finger a small step down from the top line at 2 o'clock. Make a C stroke down to the writing line and a ball in the downstairs. That is the number 6. So right down here, friends, on our first line, we are going to practice the C stroke for the number 6. So start a small step down, make a C stroke down to the writing line. Now you're going to make the number 6. Start a small step down at 2 o'clock, C stroke and a ball in the downstairs. Keep practicing that number 6. You have a few more times that you're going to practice number 6. Then at this middle house, we're going to practice 1. You're going to do 2 2s, 3, 4, and on the bottom house line, you're going to do 5 and 6. Perfect job today. When you are done, send it to your teacher. Oh, just wait. Don't send it yet because we have this page. You need to count all of the objects in each one. Now there's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. Only one of each, and make sure you write the number on the line after you count. Good job today, boys and girls. Keep up the great work.